Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Real Life Beauty and I am Brooke. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping in. Just a heads up, this is a budget beauty channel. I also do a little bit of lifestyle. I am basically a budget beauty enthusiast and sometimes I'll throw in some higher end things in there. Talk about lifestyle, I'm a mom, things like that. Today's video is all about, I don't know that I would call this a high-end item, maybe midline. This is something that I saw on Sephora's website and something that I've always struggled with, which is making the perfect winged eye. So I love winged eyes, I just never get them right. So I know that most people will tell me, it just takes practice, but I just have a really hard time with it. Does anybody else? So when I was on Sephora's website, I happened to come across this product. This is called the Wink Stamp, and this is by Kaja. And this is what the product looks like, the packaging. And so I was interested because I've seen some videos done with the stamps that were purchased on Amazon. Some of them did okay, but not nearly as good as the reviews that I saw on Sephora for this particular product. So I definitely want to give you a little bit of rundown about what this product does. The details are, it's a double-ended wing stamp pen with an accompanying liquid eyeliner that makes it super easy to get your best winged eyeliner. So that I am in for, sign me up. The product is also free of parabens, phthalates, and it's also cruelty-free, which is also very nice. So that's a little bit about the product. I went to my local Sephora, I picked this up. This retails for $25 US. So I thought, well, if it works, it's kind of a no-brainer because there are some high-end eyeliners, liquid eyeliners that are about the same price. So I wanted to give this a shot. So we are going to just get right into this review. I'm gonna do it in front of you. If it doesn't come out, I've got some handy dandy wipes and we can try again. I did play around with this a little bit last night. I don't know if I'll have it down correctly, but I think it gets me a little closer to what the end look is that I really want. So let's see what happens. This is what the packaging looks like when you take it out. It's just a little cylinder thing here and it's got a stamp and it says left for your left eye and right for your right eye. And it just kind of looks like a pizza, slice of pizza. And then the liquid eyeliner comes in a separate tube. It's a standard liner. It's got a nice end on it. So what we're gonna do is zoom in a little bit closer and see if we can make this work. Word on the street is it's easier for you to do whatever your dominant hand is. So I'm lefty, but I actually have more experience with my right hand, my right side, but I'm gonna do it on my left eye first, and then we'll see what happens. So it says in the directions to place the stamp along the outer edge of the eye. Wing's longest edge should connect to and align with the lower lashes, creating a continuous line. Press down firmly. Okay, so we're gonna try this. That's a little sad, but we're gonna work with it. We're gonna work with it. So now I'm gonna take the pen and see what I can do here. Okay, that's not bad. I kind of went underneath. Can you see here where I went a bit underneath, so I have to clean that up. But that's not a bad wing. I'm gonna just put a little bit more along the lash line here. I don't want it really thick. Okay, so that's the first eye, or the left eye. Oh, that was not, okay, so obviously that was not good. I'm gonna have to redo that because I was pointing down too far. So let's clean this up. And obviously I'm gonna have to touch up my makeup as I'm making a mess. Oh, that was much better. So it's not, you can see it's not completely filled in, but that's okay. I actually like this one better. That's what always happens. I feel like it's smaller and I like that. So I'm gonna fill it in. Okay, so I kind of went a little too far here. I'm gonna try and clean it up again. Oh, that cleaned up so nice. So now, like, this one looks really good, I think, but this one looks low. You see what I'm talking about? I think you just have to practice no matter what it is. But like maybe if this one was going up a little bit more, I mean, it's not bad. This one's just looks heavier now. Oh, that's better. I just kind of cleaned it up a little bit. Is that good? I think I'm happy with that. I think, yes. Yeah, no, I think I'm happy with that. That'll work. Okay, final thoughts. I'm not done playing with this product. I think in theory, it's great. Because for people like me, I have tried over and over and over to draw with a felt liner, the wing, and I can't get it. But this makes it so much easier. It's just, you have to really play around with it. You have to get good at it. And it's like anything else with makeup, practice makes, well, it's really with anything. Practice makes perfect. So I think for $25, it's not a bad investment if you really want to learn how to do a winged eye and do it pretty quickly. Like I literally only have to touch up just the sides here, and I purposely did my eye makeup pretty basic today because we had church and things and I knew I wanted to try this later. So I would say that I'd give it a go. I don't know if I would try one of the ones from Amazon. This one this had 90% of the reviews said that they would purchase this again from Sephora. So I kind of felt like that's a really good rating for a product. And even though it's more than I would normally spend on something for my eyes, this is a great learning tool for me to get better at it. So today's video was a little short and sweet, but hopefully you got something out of it. If you have any questions about the Kaja Wink Stamp, please don't hesitate to comment below. I'm happy to answer anything. And if you'd like, I can even give you an update on my progress because I am going to continue using this just to see if I get any better at it. But yeah, not bad. So thank you again so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And also don't forget to subscribe. That way you will be notified anytime I upload new videos. Thanks so much, guys. Have a great day. Bye.